Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo nila information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see ano yung energies coming in for you, Capricorn, ngayong second half ng May. What are the energies for Capricorn, May 16 to 31? Nest. Uy, so this is about home, your home life, your family life. So maaring itong second half ng May, meron kayong mga activities na may kinalaman sa family ninyo, sa mga ganap ninyo sa bawat isa sa family. Halimbawa, anak nyo, kaya asawa nyo, merong major events, or yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong ayusin sa bahay, or meron kayong i-renovate sa bahay, or may inaayos or aayusin kayo pagdating sa inyong bahay. Okay, so kung meron kayong maririnig na maingay, na sumisigaw sa background, yung ano kayo, bunso, maingay kasi siya. Minsan nasigaw. So anyway, yeah, so meron kayong mga aasikasuhin na ayusin related sa home life, family life ninyo ngayong second half ng May. Maaring redecoration ng bahay, or magre-rearrange kayo ng furnitures, or buying a new house or a new home. So you also have emotions. This is about your instinct also, no? Yung inyong nararamdaman, pakiramdam. So mas magiging malakas ang inyong pakiramdam. Maari ring dahil merong home dito, no, tapos emotion, so maaring there is an emotional experience within family members, or maaring may mga family members na hindi ka na, matagal mong hindi nakikita, tapos magkikita na kayo, so you may be emotional about that. You also have Fox, which is a shape shift. So this is change, a major change in a situation that you have right now. So yung iba, maaring change sa bahay, no? Paglipat ng bahay, may renovation. Or this is also pagbabago ng iyong pananaw sa buhay, ng sarili mo. Pwede ring physical change to, na ikaw ay mag-glow up. Meron kang i-improve sa iyong sarili. Oo. And also pay attention rin sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo or makakasalamuha mo during this time, no? Ngayong second half ng May, kilalanin mo silang maigi bago ka magtiwala sa kanila. Okay, so let's see what else for Capricorn. You have the Ace of Coins. This is a new beginning, new opportunities coming in, bagong trabaho, no? Bagong opportunity to earn money. So, maaring ikaw ay may bagong source of income. You also have the Ten of Cups. Wow, napakaganda nito, Capricorn, because this is fulfillment, no? Yung iba talaga sa inyo, maaring merong properties na mabibili. Bahay, lupa. Property na talagang malaki yung kanyang halaga, na magbibigay ng happiness and fulfillment sa family ninyo. And magbe-benefit, of course, yung inyong family. Yung iba naman, this can be a business na ilo-launch ninyo. You also have the Hanged Man. This is pagbabago ng perspective sa buhay ninyo. Maaring you are seeing things in a different perspective. Kumbaga, meron kayong ina-analyze, nire-reassess na situation. Kaya maaring meron kayong hindi muna itutuloy na plano, dahil maaring na-realize nyo na hindi pa ito yung tamang panahon. You also have the Queen of Wands. You're also following your passion. So, kung ano man yung bagay na gusto mong gawin, passionate about ka doon, you're going to follow that. Some of you may travel opportunities. You also have the Knave of Swords. Someone is, merong curious, or maaring merong person na nagsustalk sa'yo, or inaalam kung anong nangyayari sa buhay mo, Or vice versa, na maaring ikaw meron kang inaalam, kinikilala, no, na tao na pwedeng bago mong kakilala. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, kung meron kayong ka-deal ngayon na medyo you feel like parang something is off with this person, hindi ka sigurado sa kanya, alamin mo muna yung background, no, ng tao na yon before dealing with that. Whether sa relationship man yan or sa business, sa partnership. You have the 5 of Cups and the 8 of Swords. Oh, okay. Some of you, Capricorn, you might feel disappointed sa isang tao na akala mo kakampi mo, na akala mo naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Yung pala, this person is para siyang nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo. Okay? Whether this is sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, or even yung iba, pwedeng kamag-anak mo pa to. May mga ganong cases na kung sino pa yung mga taong inaasahan mo na susuporta sa'yo, hindi pala nila kayang suportahan ka. Okay. You have ring. Also, this is, merong, this can be an engagement for some of you. When we say engagement, it's like, parang, hindi naman kailangan yan na, pagpapakasal na related sa kasal. Pwede ring, you are engaging with something, with someone, may mga collaboration, may mga kakausapin ka. This can also be a commitment, no, na ibibigay mo sa iba or ibibigay mo sa sarili mo. You have gentleman. So, some of you are dealing with masculine energy or parang pagkakaroon to ng paninindigan sa mga bagay na pinipili mo. You also have the Tower. This is about being confident and also the strength that you need. So, kung ano man yung challenge na kakaharapin mo ngayong second half ng May, meron kang sapat na lakas para malagpasan yan. Okay? You also have birds. Birds is about message. Baka meron kang importanteng mensahe na matatanggap, no? Ngayong second half ng May. Let's see for your money, career, finances, energies. Yun na nga. Meron sabi rito, there are consequences in being unprofessional with your job. Your good morals will be rewarded as you treat others fairly. So, maaring meron sa trabaho, no, na parang sinasabotahe ka. Oo, dahil parang threat ka sa kanila or parang ikaw ay kompetensya nila, no? So, be careful. You also have communicate. So, you're going to share your voice. Maaring mag-open up ka sa trabaho, no? May i-raise ka na concern sa trabaho na, ito, kailangan sanang pagtuunan to ng pansin sa trabaho or ng management or ng leader. You have the 9 of Coins and the Star. Wow! Capricorn, financially, no, things are doing well for you. 9 of Pentacles is financial stability. Meron kang wish na matutupad, meron kang pangarap na yan yung nagfu-fuel sa'yo to do best in your career, in your business. This is also about healing. So, maaring kung meron kang naging financial struggle in the past, so ngayong second half ng May, magiging maayos na yan. Okay? So, sa relationship, you have twin flame and new love. Okay, so maaring kung kayo ay bago pa lang, no, na bago naghahanap ng relationship, maaring o kung single kayo, maaring you will be meeting someone na magkakaroon kayo ng romantic connection with this person. Maaring papasok ka sa bagong relationship. Or kung nasa bagong relationship ka, maaring you are connecting with someone na soulmate mo or merong twin flame energy. Wow, you have the Death card and then the 3 of Wands. So, the Death card is about endings and new beginnings. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo nang galing sa situation na nag-end yung relationship ninyo, this is the time na magsimula ng bagong relationship, lalo na kung nalagpasan mo na yung 3-month rule. So, ibig sabihin, after 3 months, naka-move on ka na kasi this is about exploration. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will start exploring, no? Mag-explore ka na ng options mo pagdating sa relationship. Release what you've been carrying and lighten up. New joy is on the way. Wow. So yung mga dinadala mo raw ng mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa iyong kalooban, i-release mo na yan. Dahil may bagong dahilan para maging masaya ka. Okay? The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. So, an untapped potential. So, ito yung hindi mo pa ginagamit na mga talento, abilities, no, mga kakayanan mo. So ngayon, it's opening up. It's opening a new doorway for you. That's why meron ditong new beginnings for your career or maaring sa bago mong project na ipupursue. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.